Hello, fellow travelers. This is Travel Towner, and today we are in Belgium in Europe at the Bobbejaanland theme park. I hope I'm saying that correctly. We are going to be taking a POV trip on the horse Pedalo ride around the skies of Bobbejaanland. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.